In this video, we will discuss 7 actionable steps you can take to help boost your income and improve your financial stability. So let's get started. Number 1, you might debate if this is money making because you are actually spending money. However, it's money you would be spending anyway, and you don't have to do anything differently to get it. Simply using cashback programs, you will see money coming back to you with no extra work on your end. You can earn small amounts from general shopping, but can see some big wins when you sign up to new contracts. I've often earned £50 to £100 when changing broadband providers, for example. I need the internet and I'm going to be paying for broadband anyway. I've not spent any more. In fact, sometimes I find a deal that's cheaper monthly too. Then I've earned some money on top. Whether you see it as a saving or as making money, cashback is a great personal finance tool to have in your pocket. 2. Passive income is a great way to grow your wealth and adds to your financial security. There are lots of options out there when it comes to passive income, and researching the best one can help you make smart decisions on how to utilize your money. Some of the most popular forms of passive income involve some level of having money to put into them in the first place. Investing in stocks can provide a steady stream of dividend income and capital appreciation. Property investments can offer rental income and profits from appreciation again. There are ways to make passive income without an initial expense by using your time instead, such as starting a blog or creating digital assets to sell. Passive income is a tricky thing to grasp, but it's worth thinking long term. You don't want your money to just be sitting in a bank earning tiny amounts of interest that end up losing value to increasing inflation. 3. If you're looking for ways to increase your income, then consider asking for a raise or a promotion at your job. This can be a great way to jumpstart your finances and put more money back into your pocket. It might seem unlikely, but without asking, you won't know. It's also a good way of putting your name out there. If opportunities pop up, then you might be more likely to be selected. Or you could start working now towards a potential promotion in the future. Alternatively, if you can't move up, look sideways. Are other places offering more money for the same job? You may feel comfortable and not wanting to leave where you are, but it's worth knowing how valued you are in your own workplace. Another thing you can do is look at ways you could make more money in your workplace. Would you need different skills or qualifications? Then you can start working towards those. It may not get you anything right now, but open doors later on. 4. Now, you may not consider this a boost to your income because it doesn't bring money in. It is essential in money management though. Without this step, you will not know the answer to important questions. Setting up a budget can help you keep track of your expenses and ensure that you are properly allocating your money to cover your needs. After that, it shows you the money you have left to play with. This can be used for investing, side hustles, or other ways to make money. Or simply use your budget to find ways of saving money. Technically not giving you more income, but it does give you access to use more of your existing money how you want instead of into those pesky expenses. 5. Side hustles or freelance gigs can be a great way to supplement your income. Look for opportunities that fit your skill set and interests and that can provide a steady stream of income. Some good examples include freelance writing, online tutoring, pet sitting, virtual assistant, food delivery, online surveys, stock photography, house cleaning, or media creation. There is a suitable side hustle for everyone. It may take a little dedication to get the ball rolling, but once you see money coming in, you'll be hooked. I started writing blogs, and a couple of years later, it has become my full-time job. It took a while and I made nothing in the beginning, but it just cost me time. Number 6. Tax credits and deductions can help you save money on taxes and increase the amount of money you are able to keep in your pocket. Researching what credits and deductions are available to you and understanding how to take advantage of them can help maximize the amount you have coming in and your savings. And finally, number 7. Stop waiting for the right time to buy or forgetting to put that money aside. Automating your savings and investments can help you ensure that you are consistently setting aside money for the future. Dollar cost averaging into investments is widely considered a good way of investing if you don't have the time to spend all day researching, analysing, and watching market trends. Speak to a financial advisor if you want to start getting into investing to find out why it is such a common choice for people to pick when thinking about growing their wealth. I personally have long-term investments I like to pay into regularly. It doesn't matter what the market is doing right now, as I have no interest in touching them for a while. Doing this on a regular basis can help you make progress towards your long-term financial goals. If you want to hear more about money management or the benefits of automation, then check out the video over here. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more money management tips, and thanks for watching. Bye!